Have you ever wondered how you can sell your home for the top price without all those hassles? Well, stick around today because I'm sharing some insider negotiation tips that could help you walk away from the table with more money in your pocket. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Thibodeau. I'm your go-to real estate expert with over 15 years of experience helping people sell their homes with confidence. On this channel, I dive into strategies and tips to make selling your home smoother and more rewarding. So if that sounds like something you'd find helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. So, did you know that effective negotiation could help you keep thousands of dollars more from the sale of your home? Just think about what you could do with all that cash. Maybe put it towards your next home, pay off some debt, or even take that much needed vacation. Selling a home isn't just about listing it at the right price. It's about negotiating the best possible terms and price to make sure that you come out on top. But let's be real, negotiations can be stressful. A lot of sellers worry about scaring off potential buyers or coming across too pushy. Others feel like they don't know enough about the market to negotiate effectively. And some people just accept the first offer they get because they want to avoid the back and forth altogether. Well, those fears can end up costing you. Here's how. Without strong negotiation, you might leave money on the table. Falling in love with the idea of selling your home really fast could lead you to miss out on a better offer. Not understanding local market conditions might weaken your negotiating power. And miscommunication with the buyer could cause the deal to fall through completely. The good news, if you're aware of these challenges, you can totally prepare yourself to handle your negotiation like a pro. Let's jump into some strategies that help you get the best possible deal. Tip number one, you've got to know your market. Knowledge is power when it comes to selling your home. Start by checking out comparable sales or comps in your area. Look at homes in similar size, condition, and location to yours that have sold recently. This will give you a clear idea of your home's value and make you feel more confident during the negotiation process. Tip number two, you need to understand buyer motivation. Try to figure out why the buyer is most interested in your home. Are they relocating for a job and they need to move very quickly? Have they been house hunting for a while and seem very picky? Buyers with pressing needs might be more willing to negotiate, and your real estate agent can help you uncover that information. Tip number three, you've got to be a clear communicator. Negotiations go a lot smoother when both sides feel respected. So we need to approach the process with a professional and respectful attitude. By keeping the lines of communication open and showing you're serious but fair, you can build rapport with the buyer, which can make them be more flexible when it comes to the other parts of your offer. Tip number four, think beyond just the sale price. Price isn't the only thing on the table. Consider the negotiation on items like repairs and improvements that the buyer might want you to make before closing. There's inclusions like appliance and furniture, and of course there's conditions and specific dates that all need to be negotiated too. All this can add up to a significant advantage to one party or another when we consider the entire negotiation as one big process. At the end of the day, negotiation doesn't have to be intimidating, but by being prepared and understanding where the buyer is coming from, we can use some smart tactics and help you confidently navigate the process and secure the best deal that works for you. I'm curious, have you ever negotiated a deal, or do you have any questions about the whole process? I would love to hear from you. Drop a comment and let's start the conversation. If you found any of these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who could use the help. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on selling, buying, and investing in real estate. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy selling.